Hey, how's it going, man?
What's up, man?
Number 93,
It'd be nice now.
Yes, sir.
Your first time driving an old truck.
I'm trying to be careful. How's it going?
I told you it was pretty clean.
Yeah, a lot of thumbs up on the road.
Yeah, I bet.
I'll send a picture of the boys.
So since we're bougie, we're going to be powder coating some of this suspension to match. We finally found one that'll match. Vols it is.
Hi.
Hey,
Good morning.
what's up?
How are you?
Good morning.
Close. Your manager was saying like 1,500 to 2,000 people.
Yeah, they're supposed to have enough people out there, man. I'm trying to get them to put it on their website, too.
That'd be sweet.
I can blow up even more on that, too, so.
You better not make me talk in front of all those people. I'll cry.
Oh, you got to, brother, because I gotta ramp up the crowd.
Oh, here we go. Perfect.
You gotta get your mind right now when you're rolling with your boy.
Nah, we'll be alright.
So our update is Chalk and I are going to go eat some Subway. But Gilbert's Ramcharger, you saw us struggling with the front leaf spring, so we needed to take a break. So today we'll have all four in. All I know is this thing needs to be done and revealed Sunday at the Packer game. So we got a little bit of work ahead. Luckily we've got, probably 2 more days to be able to still get this thing aligned before we head out there. But we're in the home stretch, maybe, now that we know how everything fits together, how everything goes together. So here's to hoping. Alright guys, so we got the leaf springs in the right direction as opposed to how the rough country one had been put in. Everything's just kind of held together right now, nothing's tight. I'll work on putting the shocks in. We still got the steering stabilizer, but these kits are very simple, so that's really all we have left. And hopefully this goes a little bit easier than the rest of this has gone so far. Oh, you're broken. Not good. Not good, but they're not terrible. Asbestos, asbestos. Got that good.
I'm Brad, and I have mesothelioma.
I have mesothelioma. Alright, we got Gilbert Brown's Ramcharger buttoned up now. It's time to get in some Packer gear and Packer party until he's ready to go and reveal his Ramcharger to him. Let's get it.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen.
How's it going, guys? Come on, that's all I get? Thank you! Like Gilbert said here, we have his 1988 Dodge Ramcharger we're about to unveil for him for the first time. Now, we're custom offsets up in Appleton, down in Appleton, not too far from here. We hooked this thing up. We got some 26's 14 wheels, 35-inch tires, 6-inch power lift kit to match the truck. Do we have any superhero fans here? Yeah? Gilbert's a little bit of a superhero fan himself, so we're here today to unveil the thing to him. Y'all ready for this? All right, let's see it.
Microphone on? This might be the baddest truck of all time. Old school 1988 Dodge Ramcharger. My boy right here hooked it up, and I love these guys. Dustin says the best, bar none.